Good morning, Abibis. I'm back again. Ah. Morning, guys. Guess what? I know. I said I was gonna be back next week. Yeah. And this is technically still this week. But guess who caught this? Bro, this is my first trade on gold in like 2 years. Like, I'm not even joking. This is my first trade in like 2 years. Almost got stopped out. Almost got stopped out. Almost. But I've learned from my lesson and I set a bigger stop loss. Okay, so this trade is technically a 1 to 2.5 RR, and we are currently at about 1 to 1.5. I've already taken partials and I've set my I've set break even. So now I'm just waiting to see. I do feel like gold is going to 4K. Gold is definitely going to 4K. But for now, okay, let me see something. Yeah, I'm gonna move my take profits to around this area. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Just because I feel like market is gonna, if market is going to respect structure, market is gonna have to break above first before any retest or anything. So I'm going to remove my take profit entirely and just let the trade run and see how that goes. Oh yeah, you guys are probably wondering, how the fuck did I even enter a trade when I almost blew my account yesterday? Well, I almost blew it. I did not blow it. I took it. Shit. Sorry, they needed me to do something. Where was I? Where was I? Okay, yeah. So I said I feel like if market is going to respect this, market is going to have to first break upwards before maybe retesting this area. But I feel like we're going to 4K, but that's going to be a gradual process. I'm not just going to hold all the way from here to 4K. We're going to like keep taking profits and entering new positions, blah 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 blah. So right now we are around 1 to 1.5, not much, about halfway there, holding to. I've removed my take profit, so I'm gonna set another all the way here. So I start so I know how it's going basically. So, and I already set break even, so that's that. Like I said, I've been saying this for the past I don't know how many days now that DXY is going to continue to fall. I don't just know what was happening yesterday, and yes, I traded gold. Why did I trade gold? Because I don't know what USD card has been doing. Even today, look at it. Look at the price action on this thing, bro. This is supposed to be falling, but we're doing this. So I decided, fuck that. I'm also adding USDJPY to my watch list. So on this, I need um I need to see something like this happen, and then we'll look for sales. Um, EU, I had this too. Actually, what is one towards right now? Similar to gold. I am really going to just start entering my trades during Asian session. The gold trade I entered during Asian session, this also got activated during Asian session, as you can see. Tokyo, you see Asian session. So I am definitely gonna start entering my trades during Asian session. So I'll try my best to like make the videos as I'm entering. Yeah, GU, nothing on GU. I don't like the price action on GU. So this is all we're looking at right now. All I'll continue to look at. Hopefully it goes well. We'll update you guys on how it goes. yeah, guys. So there's literally news in the next 1 minute 25 seconds, and my this is what my trade is looking like. We hit a 1 to 2.4 and we reversed. So I just closed another half of my position right here, right now, just in case market starts to misbehave. So I want to see how news is going to affect the market. I feel like right now, I don't know, market is building like a sort of resistance in this area, and there's like major like liquidity just resting like beneath these areas. So if market is able to push rapidly below this place, it's just going to be like massive candles to the downside. Like it's just going to be like straight up like the market is just going to like dump massively. That's what I feel like if market is able to break this area. But if market breaks above here, then we're going to look at like continued buys to around this area. So let's see how that goes. Results of the news haven't dropped yet, but I'm assuming it was negative for USD because the rate at which gold is pumping is insane. Tokyo eyes getting attention from London. Okay, this is clean. This is clean. If I get a confirmation on this trade, I'm gonna take it. 31 pip stop loss is on the high side though, but I'm okay with it. Nah, I think news was actually positive. I think news was positive because this is crazy. Let me see. There's been nothing, no results yet, and it's been 8 minutes past the news time. I feel like that's why all this is still happening. Probably news is gonna drop negative soon, but market is trying to like figure out what's happening. So that's what I'm gonna do. Once I get a rejection from this area, I'm going to enter sales. Stop loss up here. I need to increase the stop loss a bit just because of how I keep getting ripped out. Stop loss there. Take profit open. We're targeting this area. USD card. I'm staying away, man. I'm staying away. Staying away until we break out of this area. I would have probably closed out on this trade already if I was in it. A break to the downside doesn't look good, but it's nothing. We could still come here. And we never did break above this area. What happened now is I just got a notification on something. They won't be releasing today's jobless reports. Oh, so they are not releasing um the jobless claims today. Polymarket just posted it. So, oh yeah, I'm getting out of the trade right now. I'm out. Yeah, I'm out. Yep. So that's not all for today per se. If I see another entry, I'll probably take it. But that's all right now. Yeah, look at that. If they're not releasing the jobless claims, that means like market can't go down. Like I don't know if you get, like, people need to see the jobless claims to like then know what to do. So everybody was waiting to see how it was gonna come to know if they're going to sell or buy. And since they're not releasing it, then well, why not buy? So yeah, I'm going to see if this rejects. Uh, but because of the way market has been, I'm going to be more will I say conservative with this trade. So let's see. Yeah, cancelled. Yep. So that's that. If I get another trade today, I'll take it. If I don't, I won't take it. Here's how I close today. Um, I mean, not bad. Not what I was expecting, but I'll take it. Not bad. And on the other account today, so not bad. I've been on a losing streak, so that was a nice break. So yeah. So guys, trade update. Okay, this gave me a confirmation. Gave confirmation. I waited on the 50 minutes time frame. I waited for not just one rejection. I waited for two rejections, which was this first one and then this candle, and then I entered. Immediately I entered, trade went all the way up here in drawdown. So I closed it immediately, as you can see. You're probably wondering why I decided to close and not hold. Well, look at the XY. From this, there is no reason for me to even hold if we're having the XY just blast off all the way up here. So I feel like next target is up here. So I closed that because we also had like a double bottom, which I wasn't paying attention to. So out of this gold, this was crazy. We closed gold out at around the 1.7, which was when it came back here. Gold went back up to tap my initial target, which was around 2.5. Immediately did that, fell back all the way down here. So yeah, that's that on gold. So luckily I closed out early. If I held, I could have actually closed out here. Well, I would not have closed because immediately this candle did this. I would have waited for the candle to close, and I would have closed here, meaning I would have ended up closing back at the 1.7. So yeah. So instead of my daily profit being 136, it ended up being 94. Well, that's not bad. On the other account, it ended up being 85. So that's good. So that's all for today. I'm going to do a bit of like studying, see what I believe should happen in the market, and yeah, then I'll see you guys tomorrow, which is Friday, which is NFP day. I'll try to be careful. Either I take a trade Asian session into London session, then get out, or I take the trade after NFP. I will not be trading NFP. So yeah, that's that. Take care, guys. Peace.